Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to talk about ways that you can use the shared interface in order to assign tasks and notes to certain individuals. Now one of the best ways of being able to do this inside of Evernote is that wherever you have a particular note, when you've had discussion about it, what you can do is you can begin to add tags to the individual's name. So for example, in this particular case, we might write in Harlan Johnson, who might be one of your team members. And you can do this with any post that you have assigned to this individual. And so what this does is this makes it so that you can actually then make a notebook searchable by writing in the person's name and any of the tags associated with them. Now we can make this process even easier by creating a saved search and then clicking New Saved Search. And we can rename this search any way that we want. And of course, when the other individuals on our team are searching, they're using the name, they'll be able to find it easily with the tag. Now there's one more element in making an assignment to a specific individual. If we have a note in particular and we've already tagged it, one other thing that we can do is we can actually go to this drop-down menu and we can click Reminder. And what we can do is we can add a specific date. By adding a specific date, what we're doing is we're making the individual responsible and tagged for something that's going to happen on a specific day. What we're going to do is we're going to give it a date, and you'll notice that this note now has a reminder date of 1/17. Now we can choose to receive an email on the day that it's due, but if we're not the one that is actually being assigned to the task, doing that would be optional. So those are the ways in which you can use Evernote within a shared notebook in order to assign someone to the specific content of that note. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.